What would happen if you accidentally touched a hot pan? You will pull your hand away before even thinking. What happens when you see or smell delicious food? Your mouth starts to water immediately. In both these examples, our body reacts in a certain way in response to the changes in the environment. It's because we have organs that are responsible for the control and coordination of actions in our body. When a person touches a hot pan, he responds by pulling his hand away. Here, the person's hand movement is controlled and coordinated by specialized tissues in his body. In the second example, on seeing delicious food, our brain gets deceived into believing that we are going to eat that food. As a response, saliva is produced, which helps in the digestion of food. From these two examples, we can see that our body responds to the stimulus from surroundings. In the case of animals, control and coordination is provided by the nervous and muscular tissues. Let us see how nervous tissues help in control and coordination. The nervous tissues are made up of nerve cells or neurons. Neurons are the basic unit of the nervous system. They are specialized for generating and conducting information via electrical impulses from one part of the body to the other parts. Neurons have dendrites, cell body, a long slender axon and nerve endings. Now let's learn about each part of the neuron in detail. The cell body contains nucleus, cytoplasm and specialized organelles. The axon extends from the cell body, helps in transmitting electrical signals from the cell body to axon terminals. Dendrites are branch-like extensions that arise from the neuron's cell body. They obtain information from other nerve cells and carry the information to the cell body. The axons take information away from the cell body. Now that we know the structure of neuron, let's see how it helps in the transfer of information from one part of the body to other parts. External stimuli such as taste, smell and heat are detected by specialized tips called dendrites of receptor cells. The information received by dendrites sets off a chemical reaction that creates an electrical impulse. The impulse travels from the dendrite to the cell body and then along the axon to the nerve ending. At the nerve endings, the electrical impulse sets off the release of certain chemical substances called neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters cross the synapse, a small gap between the two neurons, and transmits the electrical impulses in the dendrite of the next neuron. In this way, information travels from one part of the body to another part.